RTD Sensors. Uses, types, and elements. This video contains everything you need to know about RTD sensors. You will learn more about topics such as what is an RTD sensor, types of RTD sensor elements, how an RTD sensor works, types of RTD sensors, and much more. Chapter 1. What is a RTD sensor? Chapter 2. What are the types of RTD, resistance temperature detector sensor elements? Platinum. Nickel. Copper. Effectiveness of copper, nickel, and platinum elements. Balco. Tungsten. Other metals. Chapter 3. How an RTD sensor works. Insertion. Calibration. Frequently asked questions. What is an RTD sensor and how does it work? What are the main types of RTD sensor elements and their applications? How do you ensure reliable RTD sensor installation? When should an RTD sensor be calibrated? What are the differences between platinum, nickel, and copper RTD elements? Which RTD sensor types are preferred for industrial process monitoring? Chapter 4. What are the different types of RTD, resistance temperature detector sensors? Thin film RTD sensors. Wire wound RTD sensors. Coiled RTD sensors. PT100 RTD sensors. PT1000 RTD sensors. Two-wire RTD sensors. Three-wire RTD sensors. Four-wire RTD sensors. Chapter 5. What is the difference between RTDs, resistance temperature detectors, and thermocouples? Environment. Cost. Measurement range. Response time. Dimensions. Vibrations. Self-heating. Long-term use. Single-point measurements. Drift. Sensitivity. Accuracy. Temperature comparison chart. Types of thermocouples. The various types of thermocouples are Chapter 6. What are the uses for RTD, resistance temperature detector sensors? Automotive RTD sensors. Solar power RTD sensors. Pharmaceutical RTD sensors. Chemical RTD sensors. Semiconductor RTD sensors. Other industries. Food processing. HVAC. Aerospace. Heavy industry. Medical. Communications. Consumer products. Chapter 7. What is the construction of an RTD, resistance temperature detector sensor? Resistance elements. Wires. Tubing material. Connection fitting. Outer diameter. Termination. Lead wires. Two-wire. Three-wire. Four-wire. Chapter 8. What are the benefits of RTD, resistance temperature detector sensors? Cost. Sensitivity. Accuracy. Linearity. Stability. Elements. Temperature range. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right RTD sensor manufacturers for your needs.